Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Been a great Mother's Day so far. Well, the sun is being obscured by some cloud cover right now, and that's not going to change anytime soon. But if you have outdoor plans or you're thinking about firing up the barbecue grill, go for it, because we do have showers and thunderstorms on the other side of the lake, but we have about a 2-hour window before they're going to get to our side of the lake. Maybe a little less than that right at the lakeshore, but for the most of us, plan on dry weather through about 8 or 9 o'clock. Thunderstorms here. Look at all that lightning. This is just in the last half hour. Let me move my shoulder. 4,600 strikes across this area in the last half hour. So this is some very active weather. I've been checking for severe weather reports on the other side of the lake. We've had some pea and marble size hail, a lot of heavy downpours, at least locally heavy downpours, but no big severe weather reports. Gusts up around 55, 60 in the strongest storms. That's it so far, but of course it's an evolving situation. As these storms push eastward, we're going to start losing the daytime heating that we were provided all day long. So it's not likely these storms strengthen. It's likely that they weaken, but we still may see some, by West Michigan standards, strong storms here later tonight as this system continues to push eastward. A little closer view here shows the strongest cluster of storms near Chicago, also one that's moving almost northeastward that's going to collide with this system. And when you have two cells like this, or clusters of cells coming together, you never quite know what's going to happen. So we'll watch this one very carefully. But let me track these storms for you as they push eastward. You can see all those orange boxes representing severe thunderstorm warnings, like here near Kankakee, also just north of Chicago near Waukegan. The blue box here, a special marine warning, almost an equivalent of a severe thunderstorm warning out over Lake Michigan. So the eastbound system here is going to be the lakeshore, moving about 40 miles an hour by 8:50 or so for places like Douglas and Saugatuck. A little farther eastward toward Plainwell and Byron Center, we're thinking more like 9:30 or so. For Milwaukee, now keep in mind these aren't severe storms, but thunderstorms nonetheless into Grand Rapids by about 9:20 or 9:30, and Kalamazoo, Three Rivers, we're talking about 9:18 or so later tonight. Winds right now out of the south-southwest, so there's a lot of warm and somewhat humid air coming in. We're at 82 in GR, 81 here in Kalamazoo, and quite a bit cooler along the lakefront. So we have that thunderstorm chance overnight tonight, and then when we put the futurecast in motion, you can see scattered showers and thunderstorms continuing here through the day tomorrow. We do have a window for severe weather tomorrow, and the best chance of that is going to be in the afternoon. So some stronger storms definitely in our forecast here for Monday. They could include small hail and some gusty winds. Storms are likely on Tuesday as well, and we're going to be much cooler here by late week. We're talking about temperatures dipping back into the 60s on Wednesday, and then into the 50s for daytime highs coming up here on Thursday and Friday. So we're talking about a healthy cool down here in our 8-day forecast. Again, stormy weather. Chance of storms could be strong later tonight. Better chance for severe weather coming up here tomorrow. Out on our Port Sheldon buoy cam, water temperature is still 37, but that lake is like glass.
Yeah,
you hardly ever see it that smooth. So we'll keep tracking those storms, Leon. Again, 9 o'clock, the window for the lakeshore.
Yeah, I was starting to kind of fall asleep with that picture up there in that silence.
Yeah, serene.
Yeah. All right, Kyle, thanks.